Hmong tones. The letters of ba, jaw, va, da, shaw, ga, and ma at the end of Hmong words. Ba, jaw, va, da, shaw, ga, and ma are used as tone carriers or markers beside being the initial sound. Each letter after a vowel indicates a tone change. Let's look at the vowel of a in Hmong with the absent tone marker. Without a tone marker, it reads as a. Below, you will see 7 tone markers are added to the a in representing a different tone from high to low. The 5th tone marker, da, will be taught at a later time. Now let's look at the a with the tone markers. A, a, a,